How to lose weight in 1 month. Healthy and sustainable weight loss typically takes time and effort, but with a proper diet and exercise routine, it is possible to lose weight in 1 month. Here are some tips that can help. Create a calorie deficit. To lose weight, you need to burn more calories than you consume. Start by determining your daily calorie needs and create a calorie deficit of 500 to 750 calories per day. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on consuming lean protein, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats. Avoid processed and high-calorie foods, sugary drinks, and snacks. Drink plenty of water. Drinking water can help reduce appetite and increase feelings of fullness. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Increase physical activity. Regular exercise can help burn calories and boost your metabolism. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming, 5 days per week. Incorporate strength training. Building muscle can help increase your metabolism and burn more calories. Include strength training exercises such as weightlifting, body weight exercises, or resistance band workouts, 2 to 3 times per week. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormones that regulate appetite and hunger, leading to overeating and weight gain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to promote weight loss. Monitor your progress. Keep track of your weight loss progress and adjust your diet and exercise routine as needed. Remember, losing weight in a healthy and sustainable way takes time and effort. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or exercise routine, especially if you have any health concerns.